Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is currently still moving in this sideways triangle that we discussed. It seems to me as if four waves, so A, B, C, and D, are either complete or nearly complete, and one more lower high is still to be done in an E wave of the triangle. So one more lower high would be needed to complete the triangle. In an ideal world, the expected breakout point eventually is to the downside, and a break below 45.8 cents would confirm that and then take us down to 43 and likely lower. The triangle consists of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, and E, and as I said, the D wave might be nearly complete. At the moment, XRP is moving nicely within the parameters of the scenario given and provided, so there is no need to change the wave count. In the end, it's just doing what it's supposed to be doing. There is the scenario that we could say, okay, one more low here is possible in the D wave of the triangle. One more low is possible in a fifth wave. I need to move it over a little bit. Absolutely. That would be broadly in line with Bitcoin, which is also likely in a fourth wave at the moment and could do a fifth wave to the downside. However, in this one more low, the price needs to stay above 45.8 cents or it will invalidate the triangle. Basically not invalidate it, but it would already break to the downside earlier. Yeah, in a sense it would be invalidation because, you know, the triangle should get another lower high in an E wave. So a break earlier would mean that this was not a triangle but something else. Maybe just a WXY structure with a short Y wave. Okay. But it just looks like a triangle, therefore we allow it to do another lower high in an E wave. And there are two possibilities now that I see as likely. So this is either still the fourth wave that we talked about in yesterday's video, the wave 4 of C of D, which would result in another wave 5 of C of D, and then go higher in an E wave, or we break above 50 cents now and then go more directly into this target area. I think this target area has to shift a little bit because I did measure it in, originally, and I think the D wave, what you know, at least what's completed from the E wave, made a lower low. So we might just have to slightly adjust the target range for this E wave, and so yeah, it is now in the area between 50.6 cents and 52.8. So it moved down a little bit, okay? The reason is that this D wave came down a little lower, and I think I measured it originally from here or something. But this is the target range for wave E, 50.6 to 52.8 cents, the ideal target range, which I had to adjust based on the new low of the D wave. They're always moving targets. We will be able to give you a more precise target range once we have more subdivisions available. However, I would, not rule out that the E wave will go a little higher if it needs to. We can also add Fibonacci resistance to the chart, which will add as additional area of, you could say Fibonacci confluence. And this resistance area is between 51 and 53.19 cents. So I would pay attention to these levels as well. They are basically, you could say, overlapping with the target area anyway. So that's what I'm watching for. If we basically break below this week's low, I would argue we are on our way in wave 5 of D. But the price should then stay above 45.8 cents ideally. If we go higher more directly, then we could be in this E wave, and if we break above 50 cents, then we have to assume, okay, this is already the E wave. Be ready for that moment when the fun starts, basically the sell-off in wave C. Only a break above 55.8 cents would unlock something much more bullish, but at the moment this is not what I'm primarily looking for. So yeah, that's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.